Muji haul! If you're team dotted paper, leave a comment below. Stapler that comes with 50 stapling caps, so it is from the Healthy Belly, and we have some strawberry jam and butter. So good. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. So it's just me here, Alexis, and today I'm actually going to be doing a Muji haul. Well, it's not really my haul because it's actually pretty much all of Ate Junjun stuff, but I will be hauling it for you guys. So let's start. First thing we got here is a little notebook. So this is pretty much what I bought from our Muji haul. It's just this little book right here. It's the binder version. I already personalized it. I put some stickers and a little sticker quote, and this is the dotted paper, which I really like. That's my personal preference. And yeah, I've been needing a really small notebook just to jot down ideas or, like, you know, important stuff. And yeah, just really handy. I've used many Muji books actually all throughout my uni days, and they're really comfortable, really soft to write with, and I love the quality of Muji. It's so good. And here we have a ruler, just a simple ruler, which we really like. And other desk things include a stapler. We've been needing a stapler, so yeah, it's handy. We always misplace it. We also have some tapes. Again, it's handy. I love the aesthetic of Muji. It's just like so simple, so pleasing to the eyes. I love it. And my ate also got some pill cases, so these is the usual ones for her meds. Yep. And you also have the small version, which is pretty handy. I actually also got one for myself. I'm already using it, so I just put my medicines inside, like my allergy meds or whatnot, and it just fits in here. We also have this binder set, which my aunt will probably use for her diary or like budgeting planner, whatnot. I think she's going for that more like simple, minimal look instead of her usual like chunky diaries that she carries. So we just have the inserts, the clear plastic insert refills. These are really handy. Also the dividers, and she picked out 2 of the paper kinds. So she just has the square version and the lined version, but my personal favorite is the dotted. If you're team dotted paper, leave a comment below. But yeah, so that's that. And here is the plastic sleeve. I actually had a similar setup in my uni days, so yeah, it's really good quality and it's just so handy, and you can just reuse this clear binder forever and just change your inserts and whatnot. Another little desk companion my sister got is this. It's the little pencil case. Again, I love the Muji pencil cases. I highly suggest you get them. They're just so good, and the pens are really good as well. So my sister got a few. These are the pens that my sister got, so just your classic red, blue, and black. I think that these are the new pens of Muji, so they weren't the clicky ones before, if I'm not mistaken, but now they do the clicky versions, which I guess is handy, but I still love the traditional, you know, pen lid pens, and these are really good. So yeah, I told my sister to get these, and again, super handy. My sister also got a mechanical pencil. I also had one of these before. And last but not least is the two refills. Well, one refill. It is the mechanical pencil refill and her eraser, and that is pretty much it. Oh wait, there's one more thing. My mistake. She also got the little divider, and I think she'll just stand them up and put her maybe books or what not through it, so it might go like that. Or and that is it for our Muji haul. It wasn't a lot of stuff because we didn't really buy a lot of things, but we might include the other stuff we bought maybe in this haul or another video. I'm not too sure. The other day, my amazing best friend Geraldine actually sent us a care package all the way to Canberra, and we were so surprised. But yeah, it's here, and I'm gonna unbox it now. I did already have a peek, but I'll unbox it on cam. So it is from the Healthy Belly, and she said it was really good organic treats and healthy treats. So let's have a look. So this is what the box looked like when it came. Medyo mabigat siya, guys. But yeah, it came with a little note to Alexis and Auntie Dill. Love, Jerry. Thank you so much, Jodine. We love and appreciate you. We should be the ones sending you guys snacks because Sydney's in lockdown, but thank you so much. So the first thing we have here is the popcorn saucy barbecue flavor. This one looks really cool. We have nuts. So these are some roasted cashews, almonds, Brazils, and peanuts. These look really good. Also have some chocolate dip almonds and a raspberry dark chocolate. These look really delicious as well. I want to try those. Can't wait. Another milk. So this is the cashew milk chocolate. I wonder if it's in the shape of a leaf like the picture, but these are from the brand Loving Earth, so that's really interesting. Another chocolate. This is the salted caramel Swayze. So it's a salted caramel cashew chocolate with dark truffle. So these are going to be really good, super sweet. Can't wait to try that. And the last two things that come in the box is this, and it is the organic strawberry jam by Dollhouse. I love strawberry jam. Let me know in the comments if you like strawberry jam as well, because strawberry jam and butter, so good. These are also all Australian made, I'm pretty sure, so that's pretty interesting. And last but not least, we have a little grape wine. We got the goods, so this will be interesting. It's actually an organic grape white wine. So yeah, this is very interesting, and I think everything in here is vegan friendly, so that will be cool to try out. And if you do want to order from the website, I'll put the link down below. Use this discount too. Just kidding, we don't have a discount, but maybe healthy belly baka naman. But anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. Jolene, thank you so much for sending this box over, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like and a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.